Creating content is already hard work. Then you copy it, rewrite it, reformat it, and publish it by hand on every channel. Publishing everywhere is even harder. What if one piece of content could travel farther without that grind? This is the Online Biz Offers review of Repurpose AI. Repurpose AI is a platform built to help you automate content distribution and repurposing. Instead of treating every network as a separate project, you start from work you already made and adapt it so the same idea can be prepared for more than one channel. The usual loop looks familiar. You create one piece, rewrite it for each platform, fix the formatting, write captions, publish by hand, and start again. The alternative this review is testing is simpler to picture. One piece of content opening multiple distribution opportunities. Here is the workflow in 4 beats. Start with the content you already have. Repurpose or adapt that source instead of beginning from a blank page. Prepare versions that fit each destination. Then distribute across the channels you actually use, which the product view ties from a source like YouTube out to several social and publishing surfaces. The features that matter here are practical. Automated workflows and cross-posting exist, so you are not rebuilding the same post again and again. Other tools on the sheet, including options like watermark removal, are about cleaning and routing work, not magic growth. Automation can reduce repetitive publishing labor. We are not claiming a specific number of hours saved. Who is this actually for? Content creators, marketers, freelancers, entrepreneurs, and online business owners. In short, anyone already managing ideas across more than one platform and trying to keep publishing consistent without hiring a full distribution team. Creating the asset is only half the job. Distribution decides how many chances that work has to earn reach, conversation, site visits, and maybe customers. One content asset, multiple platforms, more distribution, more opportunities. That is a strategy picture, not a promise of views or revenue. Here's where I think Repurpose AI makes the most sense. If you already create regularly and the bottleneck is getting finished work onto several channels, a dedicated distribution workflow is the strongest use case. Also look closely at plan limits, which destinations you truly need, and whether the interface matches how you already work. This is a review, not a blank check. If you are already creating content but struggling to distribute it consistently, Repurpose AI is worth taking a closer look at. The main benefit is practical. Help one finished piece reach more of the places you already publish with less copy and paste work in between. Want to learn more about Repurpose AI? Read the full review on Online Biz Offers, where we keep the notes, screenshots, and caveats in one place. Visit onlinebizoffers.com and decide if the workflow fits the way you already publish.